So, around a year ago, a leaked Pixel roadmap hinted at the possibility of a smaller Pixel 9 Pro, alongside a standard Pixel 9 and variations of its Pro series phones for 2024. Earlier this year, initial Pixel 9 leaks appeared to validate part of this speculation, showcasing smaller and larger Pixel models with Pro-style features. Now, renders of the standard Pixel 9 model have surfaced, seemingly completing the rumored trio. Industry Insider on Leaks, collaborating with 91 Mobiles, has unveiled images of what could be the entry-level offering in Google's flagship lineup for 2024. The depicted Pixel 9 is expected to launch alongside two other variants, a smaller Pixel 9 Pro and a larger Pixel 9 Pro XL. The design of the standard Pixel 9 aligns with previous leaks, featuring a rounded camera bar with a distinct island effect rather than a wraparound appearance. This design evolution follows Google's aesthetic introduced with the Pixel 8 Pro, where the camera layout resembles a search bar rather than the pill and circle design of the Pixel 7 Pro. However, unlike earlier leaks, believed to be of the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL, this model lacks a triple camera array or a temperature sensor, which have become signatures of Google's Pro series Pixel line. Instead, it showcases a dual camera setup without a periscope telephoto lens, likely offering standard and wide-angle configurations similar to the current Pixel 8. According to the leaker, the dimensions of this model measure 152.8mm in length, 71.9mm in width, and 8.5mm in thickness, with the thickness increasing to 12mm at the camera bump. It is purportedly equipped with a 6.03 inches display, although discrepancies in measurement methods may result in slightly different reported screen dimension. While the depicted phone is shown in black, other color options are also expected. Additionally, it is expected to feature a Tensor G4 SoC, mirroring the specifications of the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL. The inclusion of Adaptive Touch, a previously spotted feature in development, is also anticipated, as these developments closely align with the late 2022 roadmap. Questions may arise about the future of Google's AE series Pixels. Although the Pixel 8a is anticipated within the next 2 months, leaks surrounding its release suggest an imminent launch. However, if Google transitions to a 3-pixel flagship lineup as suggested by the roadmap, the AE series line might be discontinued in favor of the more affordable non-Pro Pixel 9. While the outlook remains uncertain, the success of the Pixel 7a sales may influence Google's decision regarding the continuation of the AE series line. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.